How to fix can't connect the server on Minecraft. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix can't connect the server on Minecraft. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do first is to actually check our internet. So let's head over to our browser and just search in here for speed test. So just search for that. And then from in there, just click on this run speed test right here in order to run the speed test. And if you see that your speed is not up to par, then maybe that's the problem. But if your speed is just okay, then what you need to do is to just proceed to the next step that I will teach you. So right now, what we need to do is to just head over to our Minecraft and check our servers. To do that, just click on play and then check the servers that we have right here. So if you can't join a server, that means that maybe your IP address and your server name isn't correct. So just correct that and you should be able to join. But if you can still connect to that server, then you can try joining other servers. So if you're able to join other servers, that means that specific server is the problem. But if you still can't connect, that means your Minecraft is the problem itself. So what I recommend you to do is to just click on this X button right here and close Minecraft. So right now, let's head over to our search bar and search for Minecraft. Then from there, click on open right here in order to open it again. Now, if this actually solves your problem, then that's it. But if that still doesn't solve your problem, then we can proceed to the next option, which is heading over to our search bar and then searching for run. So search for run right here and then open run in here. So let's open run. So from in here, what you need to do is to just type in CMD, click on OK, and then this will open the command prompt on your computer. So what you need to do is to just type in ifconfig. So just type in that ifconfig space, and then this icon, and then flush DNS, and then just enter that until it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with the fix Minecraft can't connect the server. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.